This is Emma. She's looking for a flat in Linz with her boyfriend, since they decided to move together. However, they found it really hard to navigate among all of the websites, offers and ads. Emma got an idea to create a search engine and an app to make flat search easier. However, in order her idea to be realized, she needs more people and experts. Emma decided to talk with her boyfriend, friends, family and professors. Finally, her innovation professors, Mr. Bauer and Mr. Berry, gave her a great tip about an app that connects creative people with ideas like hers. But what is Creative Match? It's a platform that is available as an app and as a website that allows creative people to collaborate and network on innovative projects in Linz. Creative Match also offers a lab where people can meet to discuss projects. Let's see how it works by going back to Emma and her idea. So Emma registers on Creative Match by filling out her name and project idea, as well as adding a picture of her. In order to match people, Emma has to fill out criteria. As soon as Emma posts her project, it appears on the map of Linz. People can like, comment and join the project. Moreover, talents who match the expertise criteria receive a notification. Peter liked Emma's idea, so he decided to write her.
Hi Emma, I really like your project.
Hi Peter, thanks. Would you like to join?
Yeah, sure. Do you have a concept already? If yes, we should meet at the lab.
Cool, yes, I already have one. I will post time and date on the project site.
After their meeting at the lab, Peter decides to join Emma in her startup, and they became partners.